Interesting fact introducing the world's most ferocious animals. 1. Prince of Africa, lion. Roaming the savannas and deserts of Africa, lions strike fear with their powerful hunting skills and strength. 2. Ghost of the night, tiger. Tigers, active at night, are known for their high hunting success rates and formidable attacks. 3. Ruthless predator, Australian crocodile. Australian crocodiles, like the saltwater crocodile, are feared predators due to their astonishing speed and powerful jaws. 4. Hellish attacker, hyena. With cunning tactics and strong jaws, hyenas roam deserts and savannas as formidable predators. 5. Merciless crusher, wolf. Acting in packs, wolves exhibit terrifying strength during hunts with their swift pace and powerful jaws.